Ready? Yeah. Right. What is up, crew? We're exploring with the crew. You're the crew, so we're exploring with you. And today, I told you we'd be back on it. We're in an old abandoned pottery mill. Don't know much about this. Saw someone posted. I thought I'm going to get there while I can. It's pretty dark, so light in my face. But yeah, we'll walk around and we'll show you about. So come with us for the ride and stuff. And Ben over there somewhere. But yeah, come with us for the ride. Right, so yeah, here we are. Let's go. I know there's actually really cool graffiti in here. Yeah. Straight away. Sit that. Yeah, I can't see the critter. You take your picture stuff. Yes. Another devil's hallway. Do you want to go top to bottom first, or do you want to...
Wherever you want to go, my friend. My fellow DJ.
My fellow DJ. So yeah, it's an old abandoned pottery mill. Got a list. Oh, big spider. No, it's just some random jacket out. Like I said, I don't really know much on this place. I just saw it was abandoned. Well, it's been abandoned for a while, but yeah. I thought I had to come. And pair of shoes. Oh wow. Jesus. This is a big place.
Backstage pass, sir.
You found a backstage pass for something?
Yeah. Ben's just found a backstage pass. Peters, Chamber of Comms, Rugby World. Yeah. But I also got told that this place used to be a place where they print for newsagents. But obviously I'm not sure about that. It's a nice little one, this. Close to home, not too far. Thought, why not? House free. Doubt a clue anyone else is in here. Doubt it. But yeah. Oh, floor's nearly caving in. Oh. Wow. We've got staff taking pictures. Keep it real. Nice graffiti. Oh. Once I know I'm alone, guys, I'll start speaking more. It's just gotta make sure, because if I'm not, then I'm ready to go down. But I told you we'd be back. Last week was a little update video. You know, we was ill. We didn't have means to travel. Oh mate, staircase of death. Oh, when it goes down. Oh. Nope.
What?
Demons down there.
Why?
There's demons down there.
How do you fucking know?
You go look. Obviously I'm gonna go down there. Wow, look at that.
What did you look after before?
No. Check that.
Can we get a picture?
No, one sec. I want to put it up so it looks good. More?
On these ones.
I have to put that up so I can get a proper look at it. Let's go this way so I can get a proper look at it, because, you know, I've got torch in one hand, gimbal in the other. But yeah, that is mint. It's some good art, that. Wish I could do stuff like that. I could just about draw a stick man, guys.
What on here say?
No, it used to be a pottery mill, and then it was like, you know where they print the newspapers?
Yeah.
It was one of them.
I like this joint up, so there's power in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
If you can light the joint up, light it up.
I thought you could check that.
I don't know what's down that way, but we'll go down that way in a minute. Big heavy doors then. Apparently it's still got power, this place.
I thought you could check that.
And we've got an old phone. Instead of phone case.
Oh, you know, oh yeah? See guys, still got power.
Freebie. You see what it said on me?
Freebie.
Oh, because didn't you
Proper
say
old keyboards.
Didn't you say this one fighters were going to light it up, like the thingy up that you can
It's in euros. Not euros, is it? Was it 20 cents?
Ben found some sense.
Exploring fighters did one, didn't they?
Yeah, yeah.
Get in trouble for using it.
Yeah, it's classed as theft. Yeah. Wow. Jesus Christ. No, I knew it was big. Because obviously I work in the area, so yeah, I work in the area, so I've gone past it loads of times. But Jesus. Oh, it's massive. You know what would be good? Let's have a game of airsoft in here. Pigeons.
Jesus, man.
Massive, innit?
Birds in here, mate. So catch one again. Come on,
You sure?
got behind it with torch.
Wow.
Keep it playing, and then the left up front. Like, don't know what to do. Look, it'll come down in a minute.
Ben's trying to catch a pigeon. This place is absolutely amazing. Of some of the pictures that I've seen, I know there's still an old safe in here. Yeah, I know there's still. Yeah.
Bag here, have they?
No.
Put on the Urbex bag.
What is it?
What?
Open it. Just watch out, it's got bird shit all
That's
over
what
it.
I'm saying, it's got shut all over it. And I can't make out the writing.
Yeah. That's it. You've now summoned the Sanderson sisters.
No, I haven't.
For anyone that got that quote, that she summoned the Sanderson sisters.
Summer.
Well, cool.
Found the light. How good am I?
Ben's got the light, guys. Put my torch on me. There we go. Not much of a help, but it's a bit of a torch. Now this feels like Silent Hill.
Somebody's just going to come out now.
Now I'm half expecting Pyramid Head.
No, that was fucking freaky.
Only.
Hell, pitch.
Ah, pigeons. It nearly attacked me, man. And, oh, I nearly slipped. I wouldn't. We don't know what's on. We don't know what's on there. Well, if you ever need bonfire night, bud, we've got you covered. Oh, the wind, Light bulb's been broken. Gas. Turn the torch. That's the outside. Oh. That's the doors that we've been through. Go back through these actually. Leaves us back to there.
That's why we've just been through, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, there's that bit.
That's locked off. That brown door, padlocked.
What brown door?
That.
That?
It's a left shaft.
Yeah, no wonder it's locked. I'm happy it's locked. Let's go have a look inside though. Guys, there's spider webs everywhere. I'm doing this for you. It's not, it's on the other side, there's nothing, it's just showing you this. There we go guys, we got you on the other side of that brown door. Remember, we're the best explorers. We get you on the other side of every door. You know, it's doing my head in now. Christmas decorations.
I know, I've seen them a few places.
We went Belmont, there was Christmas decorations. St. Joseph's, there was Christmas decorations.
Belmont Carol, all of them.
Yeah?
And the photographs in the basement.
Yeah?
Oh, did you see the photographs in the basement?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Hello, Yummy, welcome home.
Okay, don't know who Yummy is. But the home.
They're fucking like demon symbols.
What?
Like, thing on the wall.
I don't know. That's sick.
No, we weren't even this one, it was the wall over there.
Should we head up to the next level, then?
Or the one where you said it's demons are down there.
We'll save the demon place to last.
That one. Oh no,
No, it's back that way.
For now.
No visitors, please, for now.
Umbrella, hey, if you want an umbrella.
Umbrella. I thought I saw a spider, I nearly cried then guys, you would have heard me scream and run.
He's a pussy.
Oh wow. Is that where we've just been?
I think so.
Let's go have a look. Oh wow, this isn't where we've just been. This is giving me 28 Days Later vibes. We're about to hear like a screech and then a zombie start legging it up the hallway. Let me turn my torch up again. There we go, it wouldn't centre guys. Oh wow.
That's the book that was upstairs on that table.
Oh, it's on there, that. That's on that.
Yeah, on there.
The Englishman's Watch. So, it must have been a publisher's, this area.
Master and masterpiece of music.
Hold my torch.
And they've got a different one.
Masters and masterpieces of music. Thank you guys for attending my ceremony. Today we're going to read from the best book in the world. When he was only just out of his teens, he visited England, Wales and Scotland. He was very excited by London and wrote home, "London is the greatest and most complicated monster on the face of the earth." Thank you guys, please return next week. Oh yeah?
General anaesthesia for gentle surgery.
Oh. Now is this staircase safe? Yeah. Guys, if I get possessed by a demon or something, or whatever, just remember, we did this for you.
I'll find it back in here too.
Wow. This place looks freaky, but it's really nice. Oh, look at that. That's mint. Enter the Dragon. Oh, an old workbench. Oh wow. They got an old thingy drill.
The old bench grinder.
They got an old bench drill here. Wow.
And we've got some coin discs here.
That is mint. Look at that, guys.
Oh yeah.
Alistair.
That is
Not
a,
bad though.
that's the savings. That's the best thing I've seen all night, guys. Wow. Good soup. Here's the chicken soup one.
You know what should have done? Just open engineering drink, next one.
I get really excited. I'm a big kid.
What's on the floor here?
Oh wow.
Oh, there's machines on here, belts.
So do you know what this is? Them.
It's a lathe.
Oh.
It's a lathe, like a machine wheel.
Yeah.
Like belt driven from pulley. Oh, it's a pulley system, like belt driven.
Oh wow.
That must come from, must be a water thing outside or something.
Oh, that is mint. Here we go, guys. Here's an old lathe.
Belt driven lathe.
Oh,
You'll see one of them again, I tell you. Let's go to a museum.
So yeah, it's an old fashioned lathe. And I don't know what that is. I reckon that's a press for punch. I'm not sure. That's what I saw before. I was like, good soup. Rover's biscuits in. And a whole lot of stuff that we don't need. Oh, more books. Oh, what was about birds?
Is there a book here?
Yearbook.
Yeah, I can't read what's all. They did college for
So yeah, found more books like I was saying.
an old blue box.
Had to cut it because they're nice.
It's spidery in there. You like
Spider?
spiders go in there.
Oh, I don't like spiders, but
We'll go in there.
I want to see.
Oh,
Nope, I can already see the cobwebs in the door. Sorry guys, you'll never experience that room unless you watch another Explorer. What's that?
British Aviation Museum. And Thomas Hearn book.
So yeah, where's that yearbook?
What's that?
I was speaking about yearbook. Which one?
That. The dogs.
Oh, yeah, a yearbook about dogs. We've got, yeah, them. I don't know who they are or what dogs they are. But we've also got buses. Buses are cool.
22 days later, we're on the coast of Britain.
Oh. Surroundings guys was still. It probably was. Oh, football! Oh, sellotape ball. And Surroundings guys was still on the first floor, I think. We've not even been upstairs yet. What?
What's that bottle?
JD. It's off from there.
Steps that go there.
It's probably for a way in or out when it used to be operational. So I think this is the oh, there's a piece of artwork that I was speaking about. Look at that. That is mint. Now, if you're gonna graffiti a building, at least do it like that, guys. That is what you call art. I'm not bothered. That is amazing. a cinematic of that. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at it. That's mint. What?
Trying to get a panoramic view of that, but we've got to the torches.
I'll get a cinematic of this again. So I'll see you in a sec, guys. But yeah, there's actually a... Oh, dead bird. If you're squeamish, don't look. Oh, bones and everything.
I walked past that.
That's... Oh, another dead bird. And a set of shoes.
Eh?
A set of shoes. Turn the torch out. Have a quick look. That's the outside. I just need to make sure that we don't get caught. That's black out. Look at them, guys. You got a pair of shoes. But yeah. So far, this place has just kept going and going and going. And it's more and more and more surprising each time. I'm guessing, yeah. Guessing this was the generator room. Might as well just have a quick look while they're doing what they're doing. Okay, I got. This is it. This is the generator room, guys. It was a waste of time me going in. Right. So should we head up to the next floor? Right, I'm gonna head upstairs because I think, I'm not 100% guys. But
What he says is 100% guys, because we don't know.
I think we've seen everything that we need to see down here. Not ice to all. Please close the door behind you. We keep cutting our paws on glass.
Sign.
Thanks. Signed, Hog.
Mia, Connor.
Well, Hog, Mia and Connor, did you ever see this?
Eh?
We're sorry about your dog's paws. But the other question is why bring them into abandoned buildings? Yeah, I think so. I don't know, but I can hear the floorboards creaking. Yeah, we've been down there, so we need to go up to the next level.
Some more stairs this way.
Oh, more stairs. Bloody scared me.
Did it?
Yeah, down from that bag.
There's the boat.
Ow. Has been open this whole time.
No. I was about to tell you before, I totally forgot that door's open.
Right, let's go upstairs.
You fucking isn't all. That could be our way out.
No entry, fire exit only. Do I go through the red door of death?
No, it's 100 foot up, isn't it?
I don't know, I can't open it. Yeah, it's just another place. We have to go through the red door of death, guys. We have to explore the red door of death, guys.
That's who we need washing.
That's what a washer's for. Oh, this must be the kitchen area. I don't know if there's a fire there, I'd have painted it black. Can't really tell these days. But now we're on to the second floor, third if you class the basement. Here we have. Oh, this is a blue room in the daytime.
Yeah.
This whole room lights up blue, it's mint. Let's go down that way in a minute.
Open here.
No, this is the second floor. Make sure you're careful on the floor, guys.
Oh, open, isn't it? Hello?
I don't know if we're alone or not. still.
But someone has been living here.
They probably will do later on when they come back from town. Better live here.
Now we gotta be careful because there's signs of people sleeping in here. And the last thing we want to do is disturb anyone or scare anyone. Oh wow, party.
Hey?
Party. Loads of beer in that.
Was it?
Yeah.
Doesn't what?
Right, let's stick together now because we don't know if anyone's in here. Oh, that's cool. Floor's a bit oh.
What are you doing?
I don't trust the flooring. There's a toilet. Ben, don't. I felt it rumble underneath me, mate. He says that, but when he's on, goes on. I'm like, wasn't that right, was it? But yeah. I don't know what part this was, but it's nice and carpeted. Just watch out for anything on the floor.
Normal places like that is like warehouses, pubs, hotels, hostels.
Really?
Hold on, this one.
Yeah, go on then.
Okay.
Huh?
That's a video.
Seems cool, that. Oh wow. That's another blue room. I've heard of red rooms. And here's the safes. I saw these as well when I noticed this place. There's a little one over there. We have a Withy Grove Stores safe. And we have a little safe there.
Oh, they probably use that as a toilet area.
On my back.
And we've got that little safe there. It's well cool.
Don't worry, that's not have to stop until you just knock me sick.
Steph, I work in the car parks.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, that's what I do, guys. 5 nights out of 7.
Works on the car.
I work in car parks. So,
You've been in there, that door, what? What is that a door? Looks like a door.
no, it's not.
It's painted door, but it was a door.
Yeah, but it leads this way.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost Ben. Plus, we'll stick together. And this is second floor, guys.
I wouldn't be
Toilet.
because I'm thinking about the next couple of people here that be in the basement.
We've been in the basement.
No, the one, what, where the steps went down and down and down?
No, but I don't know where we've been now. We'll head back there and check.
This is on top of my person.
Yeah, again, it's another blue room. Well, they just, I don't know. What's that say?
I don't know, the toilet's on top of red every time we piss and shit. You can hear it.
Yeah, look. Someone's not happy about people using the toilet. I don't know whether that's recent, but
Looks it.
yeah. So yeah, guys,
We found that out
we're back here. What's that?
No, because I noticed it before. I forgot to say it, so I just thought, oh, that door looks like it's on the open.
More toilets. Are you enjoying this one, guys? I am. It's a really cool little place. Hope yous are. Hopefully this won't need much editing, because... Oh, another save. I don't know. What's what? Yeah, I don't know. Looks like a holster. Another safe.
Yeah, I think that's shut.
All the safes are shut.
No, there wasn't.
Oh, except for that one that was used as a fridge. It's in there.
And this is locked.
Yeah.
Just a little room, this. Oh, watch out for the floor in there, guys. Let's through that way. Oh, another stairwell. That'd be a cool cinematic. You got a live action cinematic then, guys. Should we head back upstairs then? We've seen all this floor.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the other piece of artwork. That is so cool. That is mint. And there's artwork over there. It looks like a demon. I don't want to intrude on anyone's bedroom. No.
The great only appear great because we are on our knees.
Let us rise. It's nice, that man. At least you've done the smart thing and you've got yourself off the street. You've got a nice place to... Oh, I say a nice place. You've got a little place to keep. What?
I think as long as it's that and you're not on your car park, you're happy.
I don't mind if they're on my car park, to be honest. Some of them are alright. Some are not. Trying to...
We're not going to level, yeah?
You can go up these stairs if you want. Oh, see where these stairs led downwards.
Yeah, no, that's why we came in. Jacket there.
Oh yeah. So that's where we started. What's that? And now we're into the next level. Hopefully it won't be so much editing with this.
What the fuck?
Oh, creepy crawl space. Look at that, guys.
I don't want to wander there with a fucking black bag.
I'm not going under there. That's what I showed the creepy crawl space. And the reason I'm not going under there is because creepy crawl spaces are full of demons and spiders. And if I'm being honest, I don't like neither. Pigeons. Just give me an heart attack, seriously. Yeah, guys, maybe try and hide our torches. Look, guys, we're right on the main road. Look at that. That's great. I forgot I have my torch on my phone. I'm trying to hide my torch and I'm like, oh, I've got a torch on my phone. Look, guys.
What the fuck was that?
Wow.
It's just pigeons.
Fucking shit.
Where is it?
I don't know.
I don't know about shit.
There's a noise coming down that way. Oh, these stairs don't feel safe for fat people. Were they safe, Pat?
Yeah.
Oh, there's people down there. See, there's loads of people everywhere, but it's one of them, this place. Doesn't matter if you come at dead of night or you come in the morning. There's going to be people.
Staircase.
Yeah, we're heading to another side of the building. Everybody welcome, neighbour. Oh,
Just don't put that rope around your neck.
Oh, you
Leave
fucker.
oh wow, some cool graffiti. No one in there. Yeah.
You read it?
Are you read it, Timmy? Wow.
Read it all.
Look at that, guys. Why, how, when, where, who? How do we connect? Why deny me? Where do we go? When is it over? Who are you? That is mint. I will try my hardest to make a life down here. That's cool.
What more than anything tangible?
This is well cool. Wow.
Blue walls and open space, guitar singing, drum and bass.
Oh, look at the little penguin. If anyone watches this and knows
Fucking boombox.
yeah.
You shall share your split.
If anyone's actually watching this and you know who did this,
You shall not chat mac at it. And
yeah, let me read that. I saw these. Thou shalt say in it 3 times in a day. Thou shalt eat chips and gravy. Thou shalt hate your rival, either red or blue. Red, fuck the blues. Thou shalt never retire to Wythenshawe, or be born there, or associate there. Thou shalt call complete strangers love. Thou shalt own a Parker. Thou shalt thank with nice one. Thou shalt think Cockneys are foreigners. Yeah. Thou shalt have an M postcode. Thou shalt have a friend in strange ways. Thou shalt shop at Asda. Thou shalt share your spliff. And thou shalt not chat macca in in another man's gaff. And for those that understand what that means, what are you here for? Stop watching. Yeah. Let's see what this one says. How can I find the words to say this? Let me get that on camera here. If I say it, they might not play this. I've dealt with all the haters and racists, but the place is to where I travel. I feel broken strings unravel, trying to stay afloat. You're my boat, I'm the paddle. You're the peace and I'm the battle, trying to save the seed, sheep and the cattle. I want to sleep, so I bit the apple. Good night. That's mint. Should I say hello, Steph? That is mint. Just love little poems. They don't have to be major. They're just really nice. A tiny piece of my soul is taken each day. Beginning of nightmares that feed your dismay. Pouches of highs. That is pouches, isn't it? See, guys, I can't read, but pouches of highs. I come over all warm, anxious and bouncing. I may do some harm. I come over all lame. But yeah, you can read that if you want, guys. I don't want to read it. It's nice. Look at that. There's one more. Ooh, more poems. Saltwater raindrops. Oh, it's hidden behind all those guys. Don't be fake, be real. See? Ben's the man for the job. There we go. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
No, you're on there.
Oh, yeah.
Manchester City, United. It's not family, it's his family. You're exact saying to me.
Oh, fly thing.
Fucking flying spider, isn't it?
Right?
Yeah. That's a true saying. How can you love others if you can't love yourself?
That ain't a spider. I don't know what that is.
No, it's a fly bug.
Oh.
Christmas decorations.
Where? Right, I'm done. Yeah. Salt water. If you can read it, read it. Take a second, pause it if you need. But that is really, really cool. Saltwater raindrops it's called.
Is this real?
Squat the moon. Sweet. Is this real or a dream? Maybe a mad scheme. Molly's in the shower. She's been there for 2 hours. 2 whole hours. There's a spider on that.
Yeah, no.
Whilst 2 twins in a tower scream. Is this real or is this a dream? Well, this room is very nice. I like this room.
Okay, we can leave you in there then if you like.
I could have to spend all day here just reading.
No, you would.
Following orders or ordering followers. Now this one's a very good one. It's about Theresa May. I'm not going to say it on YouTube. There will be a picture. There'll be a picture on Facebook or Instagram. There'll be a picture on either one of them of this.
After all, she's Boris's home.
Yeah, I've read it.
I am. Is that the rest of it?
No. That's it. It's. We've just done this bit and there wasn't much interesting, but we've got stairs, so we're gonna go up the stairs. We might try go up them ones, we're not sure. But we'll go up here. But this.
Wow. This is fucking creepy, this.
This
I know
is
where
definitely
this
good.
leads us to. I know where this leads us to, I think.
Where?
Back up to where we was before. Because
Now we're going upstairs.
This is definitely going to be.
We'll open that to the next floor anyway.
It's definitely going to be a two-parter, I think, because unless when we get here, there's not much to be seen. Well, these are the stairs that were downstairs. These, look, just led to there. So luckily we went the right way, guys. Let's go over there. But yeah, you'll know it's going to be a two-parter because I'll put part 1 on the video. Because even after we stop recording, we'll probably still go around and check. And if there's stuff that's interesting, we'll come back. If there's not, we probably won't. Let's stop at them stairs. Yes. This isn't the stairs. Ooh. Sorry you can hear me breathing everywhere. I get excited about places like this. Oh, this is cool. Nice little yellow room.
Hello, bitch.
I hate them.
Hello.
What's the floor? Just a random block bag over there. That is a phone. Do you think 2021, yeah? Not many people actually know what one of them is. Oh, look at that. That's what someone's drawn. Wow, very cool. Steve M, Paul M, Big Al. Big Al. Are they the blue stairs? Yeah, let's lead back up to where it was.
Where did you put your saddle before?
That's to the roof.
Huh?
You can get to the roof. So the next staircase goes up to the roof. That's the staircase over there.
Oh, should we go to the roof then? Let's go see what's on this side, guys. I don't know what these are. Are these little matchbox?
Matchboxes.
Oh, a little matchbox. Wow. That's cool. That's outside. Oh, sorry, Dan.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Ooh, another creepy crawl space. But this has been an absolute true adventure. My phone says I've got 8 minutes left of recording. I might as well go back up these stairs though. I've been up there once. Should we go up the concrete stairs because they're bending underneath you, Ben?
Yeah, you can do it right here.
Alright. He has to get us go up the awkward ones, isn't it? Jeez. Wow. This place is absolutely huge.
Art.
I don't know what's in there, but I don't want to know what's in there. Wow. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you've been watching the floor, because I'm trying to keep my step. The hell is that?
Right.
Oh, it's a valve.
Well, that's it. Well, so what's in that room? Your room's over there. And the stairs back down. Oh, yeah. Here's to outside, mate.
Oh.
Not the roof.
Right. Well, we'll catch you on the roof. The second thoughts, we're not going to go to the roof. Ben just went up and he just said it's not advisable. Well, what was that?
In the back.
Yeah, open it.
In the back.
Well, at least one other room.
Right, open it. Well, yeah. Here we are, going to another room. Make sure Ben's alright. Yeah, Ben's sound. This place is like an absolute maze. Oh, not my way back. What? Yeah, I've seen it. Just- Wow. There must have been an art exhibit or something there. Just sleeping bag. Oh. You know what? I've now vowed to not like pigeons. Yeah. They don't call me Thierry Henry for nothing, guys. Goal. Goal. What the hell's that? You know what? I give him that. At least whoever stays in there putting the stuff in the bin. That goes high on my box.
Notice to all tenants. It was a hostel.
Was it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. I don't know, I want to take a picture of it. Because it says Hopstone.
Yeah, but this also got used because I remember someone in work saying not too long ago, it got about a year or two ago, squatters moved in, a lot of them, and it ended up the police having to come to remove them.
Sounds like now it sounds like it was
That's not good, is it?
What?
Can that Irish day collapsed?
Oh no.
It's holding the roof up.
Yeah, we'll get down. We'll go back and get out in a sec.
This would be supposed to increase the possibility of asking them to leave.
Yeah, it would have been for the squatters that there. But anyway. 1 minute, let me spin it round. But anyway. So guys, we're exploring with the crew. You are the crew. This is Ben from Urban Navigators. Link in the description to our Instagram. This has been, I'm not going to disclose the place, it's an old abandoned pottery mill, or it was something. It's an abandoned building we found. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have, drop a like, sub, comment and share, and hit that little bell on the side. But we're exploring with the crew, featuring the Navigators. Big Ben. And like I say, stay true, stay Urbex. Until next time. Peace.
Peace up.